Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you insert smart art and shapes in Microsoft Word. So let's come to the main point. Go to Insert tab. Here there are two options available. I am first discussing the smart art. There are variety of lists here. You can read it. List, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, metric, pyramid, picture, office.com. You can choose any one of them according to your requirement. I am going with cycle. Select this one. Okay. Now you can type here some text, but I am not typing here. I am taking this window for typing. My first point is test ideas. My second point is focus on an opportunity. Third point is commit resources. Fourth point is full market entry. My fifth point is grow. And now I am entering, and now I am clicking the enter. So I have added one more box. Now sell the business, my sixth point. So in this way you have created your list, your smart art. Now select this one. You can change, you can edit or format something. Go to design, change color. These are the different options available with you. I am selecting this one. Moreover, you can change these categories. So I am not choosing this one. In the format, you can change shape fill like that. You can add some shape fill. Okay. You can provide some shape fill outline when you are selecting. Suppose I have selected this one, shape fill, so I can add shape outline like here, red one. Now you can see red outline is added to the smart art. So shape effects you can provide, like this is shadow one. You can see I have provided this one. Select this one again. In the format, text fill, you can add text fill, different text fill you can add. I have added the white color. Text outline, position, you can bring it to the center of the page. Now you can see it is in the center of the page. Select again. In the format, more options are available. Bring forward. When you added some text on the smart art, so you can bring your smart art backward or front of the text. So these are the options. Bring forward, send backward. I am not changing it. And now you can move it. Now you can move it. It is not moving. From here you can select this option. Now you will see it will move. It will move according to your best position. Now you can change its height. You can see its height is increasing. Its width can be changed. Now you can apply the shapes to it. For example, I am applying this shape. I have here apply. This is, now I am adding some color, shape fill. This is my shape fill. I am showing that this is my smart art which I have drawn. Mentioning this is just only mention the this smart art. So this is my video regarding smart art and shapes. If you find this video useful, like the video and hit the subscribe button to get more updated and useful videos in the future.